Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DigitalOcean droplets with snapshots and backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your DigitalOcean droplets using snapshots, begin by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the droplets section from the main dashboard. Select the droplet you wish to backup. On the droplets control panel, find and click the Snapshots tab. Click the Take Snapshot button. Provide a meaningful name for your snapshot to identify it later. Once you've named the snapshot, confirm the action. DigitalOcean will now create a snapshot of your droplet, which may take a few moments. You can monitor the progress on the same page until the snapshot is complete. To check your existing snapshots, return to the Snapshots tab. Each snapshot will display its creation date and the name you assigned. Now, let's move on to enabling automatic backups. Go back to the main control panel and select the droplet you're working with. Scroll down to the Backups section. Toggle on the Backups feature if it's not already activated. Keep in mind that enabling backups incurs an additional cost. Confirm the activation of backups, and DigitalOcean will schedule automatic backups weekly. You'll receive notifications once the backups are completed. To restore a droplet from a backup, return to the Backups section. Select the backup you want to restore from the list. Click on the Restore button to initiate the process. DigitalOcean will guide you through the steps to ensure successful restoration. In case of data loss, you can also restore from snapshots. Navigate back to the Snapshots tab. Select the snapshot you wish to restore from. Click the Restore button to begin the restoration process. Confirm your selection and wait for DigitalOcean to complete the restoration. After restoration, your droplet will be back to the state it was in when the snapshot was taken. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.